morning. This is our day 2, December 23. We're on our way to our morning breakfast at Locked-In Cafe, which is here on Kingsville.
Okay.
How many degrees, Daddy?
Good morning, guys. December 23, 7 in the morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa Kimberly Road. We're staying at the Lux Manor Hotel. First time namin magstay sa Lux Manor. Maganda siya. It's a boutique hotel. Spanish-inspired yung theme ng hotel. Yung mga rooms niya, yung decoration. Kasi Spanish designer yung nag-interior design nun eh. Ngayon dito sa street na to, guys, meron dito kaming kinakainan, yung Locked-In Cafe. Favorite namin yon. In this area kasi, normally nag-i-stay kami sa Kimberly Hotel. Nakatapat niya yung Lux Manor. First time namin magstay sa Lux Manor. Yung kinakainan namin dito, Locked-In Cafe. Masarap din yan eh. Tawag nila Chan Chan Ten, di ba? So, gusto namin dito. 6:30 bukas na yun eh. Pinupuntahan ng mga locals yun. So, ngayon, tulog pa yung sila Rafa at Inigo Anika. So, ito na, magbe-breakfast kami ngayon dito. Papakita ko sa inyo ha. Okay, yan yung Locked-In Cafe. We will now go inside. Okay guys.